A very fun and creative part of filmmaking is adding sound effects to your film. A directional mic is very useful here, and there's a wide variety of sound recording apps available. There are many objects in classrooms which can be used to make sound effects. Some can even make sounds which resemble others. The following examples prove everyday objects can help improve the sound of your film. A hot water bottle dragged across wood emulates the screeching of car tires. This unsettling noise is simply pieces of celery being broken. Adding in footsteps is an important addition to a film. Pinching cornstarch is a clever way to emulate them in snow. The following Fiche film examples used many sound effects to help tell their story.
Bird.